In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX700 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. And click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. Double-click in here. Select Particular Adjustment Mode button and choose Destination and select OK. In here, select Consumables Maintenance Counter and click OK. After that, you can directly click Check button. Then you can click Initialization button. After the reset is successfully, you can just click Finish and immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error, you can just try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX700 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.